sheer to medium coverage on the medium to full. Typically, these foundations are on the medium to full. Can we talk about how I loved the, I'm gonna be using this big old flush, that's a flush coverage if you wanna build, keep your skin refreshed, and it retains. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm super excited to be doing my first freaking haul. I have been picking up a few things here and there at the drugstore, and I finally got the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection in the mail a few days ago. I ordered this on sale, so this was 50% off on the Morphe website. However, it took like a month and a half to get here. A lot of the things in today's video are first impressions, so it'll be my first time using them. Some of the stuff I have used maybe once or twice, but I just want to get into this video already. I want to show you all this tons of amazing stuff I found at the drugstore. Firstly, you know the drill. If you haven't subscribed yet, just have to hit that button right there. Don't forget to like the video if you do like it, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be going through all these things, and I'm gonna be applying these all on my face, and I'm gonna be kind of sharing my thoughts on these items with you, if you care to know. For moisturizer, I've used this once or twice already. I freaking adore this. This is the Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot Hydrating Hydrant. These are drops of H2O. So it has like these particles in there, and it's really cool. I'm pretty sure those particles are some type of vitamin, but this stuff really hydrates your skin. If you're looking for a good boost that's not oily, not greasy, this is it. It's like you're just splashing your face with water. It does dry down to a little bit of a tacky feeling, which is a good thing. You want that because you want your foundation to adhere to your skin. This is actually something new as well. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Mind you, this is new to me. I'm just applying this to my T-zone area. You can actually apply this all over your face, but I'm just gonna keep this in my T-zone area. That's usually where my issues are, besides my entire face. This primer will glide on very, very hydrating. You do have to just let it set for a minute. Don't apply your foundation right away, because if you try to apply your foundation, it's gonna slip right off. Obsessed with this, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So for foundation, I did pick up this new foundation, the Dewy Wet n Wild Fondant de Teint. This is the Dewy Wet n Wild, the Dewy foundation. I did have the original one, and now I have the Dewy one. I have a setting spray that's dewy, and I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to look like a complete grease ball, so I'm gonna like mix these two together. Maybe this perfect combo will come alive. I'm gonna apply a few strips of this, and it smells so nice. The original one smells, y'all know how this smells, but the other one, the new one, smells so good. And this is the old one. This is the more that's mattifying one. It smells like high school or something. And I am gonna also be using this new brush that I purchased as well. This is the e.l.f. The Ultimate Blending Brush, this one here. It seems so freaking soft. I think it was only like $3. God, I love e.l.f. Why am I dropping everything? So let's go ahead and just start blending that out. This brush is so perfect. It just flawlessly applies your foundation, and so effortlessly. Everything just smells like a paradise in my face right now. Stippling that all over my face. I feel like this brush has the perfect amount of density, so it's not too stiff, it's not too wobbly. This is really, really nice. I cannot believe that this brush is only like $3. My skin feels like I have nothing on it. Like that's freaking awesome, don't you think? I think so. I'm obsessed with this blush. This combo together is like the perfect combo. So it's like dewy, then you have your matte mixed together. Amazing. Let's go ahead and just set the face. I don't have any new powder to set the face, so I'm just gonna be using my Mercier translucent setting powder, my usual. I'm gonna be using this big brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna be dusting this Mercier powder all over my face. Wait, hold on, I need concealer, girl. For concealer, nothing new. None of this stuff is really new. It's new to me, but probably not new to you. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I do have the original one. I really love the formula of that one, but it is a little drying and it is too light for my skin. I feel, please, these concealers with e.l.f., the formula is really, really nice on this one. I've tried it a few times already off camera. I do gotta say, the color spectrum of all the concealers, it's kind of hard to find your shade. I feel like it's really, really good. It provides such a nice coverage, just like the first one, yet more hydrating, because everyone, I guess, kept complaining about how drying the other one was. I like the other one too, but let's try this one out. I'm gonna be using the same brush. I just apply it all over my lips, why not? Go ahead and apply that under my eyes, bringing that upwards into my eyelids. Do you see how nice this highlights the under eye area? creased a little bit. Kind of hard to find a concealer that doesn't crease. If you have flawless under eyes, enjoy them while you can. And I'm just setting that in all those areas. And let's just go ahead and dab that. My skin just looks like perfect skin right now that I wish I had. Let's go ahead and move on to eyes. I'm so excited. I don't know which of these palettes to use. This is the Bling Boss palette. This one, it's gorgeous. Ooh, the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Ring the Alarm. This is probably the one I'm gonna use. And then Dark Magic is more for nighttime. Gorgeous Dark Magic palette. I'm gonna skip out on this one. I'm super excited to test these out. I've heard so many things about the Vault collection back in the day. I'm like so late to all these things. I'm gonna be using these two palettes. This is gonna be the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm gonna use the Ring the Alarm palette. I'm gonna be mixing these two together, see what kind of look we can come up with. We wanna look summer, feisty, happy. That's what we want. And I did pick up these two brushes as well. This is the JH35 brush, and this is the JH34 brush. A little bit more tapered. I decided to get these because it was free shipping. I'm very, very excited that this actually comes with a mirror. That's also a plus. Hello. Let's go in and start with the color Rush here. We're just gonna apply that all over our crease area. Ooh, this is pretty. So excited. Brows are done. Thank you, Jesus. Let's go ahead and move on. Let's do a beautiful wing eye. So I picked up the e.l.f. H2O Proof eyeliner pen. I wanted to try this out because this was like $2, so why not? I'm just gonna do a half wing. My best friend actually taught me this trick and I love it. If you're looking for a quick way to make your eyes just bigger, but you don't wanna do the trouble of having to line your entire eye and you don't have time for that, this is a quick and easy way to do that. Kind of messed up, but I always mess up everything. So I did my subtle wing eye and I think it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna real quickly smoke out my under eye. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't lie down and I can't do this without you. I won't lie down and I won't lie down and I can't do this without you. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. mascara. This is the Lengthen Volume Mascara. This was like $3. Let's see how this performs. Tiny little brush. It is separating my lashes very nicely. I really like that. Do I love it? No. I mean, I'm not like whooshed by it or anything. Just have to apply a bunch. Like you just have to keep going back and forth to really, really get your lashes to be long. Okay, I mean, not bad. I like it. And I'm super excited to try this pencil. This is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Gel Pencil. Yep, that was effortless. I think this may just be my new fave Waterline eye pencil. Do you see how quickly that glided right on? For contour, I don't have anything new. This is the Revolution Sculpt and Glow palette. I really, really love this for bronzer. I'll sharpen up my nose a bit. And for blush, this is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the color Vintage Rogue. It has that beautiful rosy tint. So pretty. It's like the perfect rose blush. The product lays down so gorgeously. It's more creamy than powdery. It's like buttery. Buttery is the word. For highlight, this is something I picked up recently. This is the Wet n Wild I'm So Lit highlight. It's a loose powdered highlight in between gold and vanilla. Do you see this? Like, this looks like an expensive highlight and it was only like $3 to $4. It's not chunky, it's not glittery. It honestly performs like a high-end highlight would. And you get so much. Look at all this. You get so much. Highly impressed with that. And for lipstick, I picked up recently the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Tinted Lip Treatment. This one is in the color Berry Berry Me. How cute. Looks just like a lipstick, but it's actually just a lip tint. It's just like if you want a little moisture to your lips, but you don't want to use an entire lipstick. If you're not in that vibe, this is so nice. It literally melts right into your lips. And as a last step, I'm so excited to try out the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. I've heard so many good things about this. This is my first setting spray that's kind of dewy. I have the regular ones. Ooh. Beware, the mister will spray right onto your face in like a pressurized droplet, but I don't mind that, it's fine. All right guys, that completes my first haul video ever on my channel. There's a few hits and misses. This was definitely a miss for me. I'm not really super obsessed with this e.l.f. hydrating primer just because it really feels slippery. Everything else, oh my God. I love these palettes. The formulas of the shadows are so buttery. They were so incredible. I'm so glad to have finally purchased it. I really love how this entire summer glowy look came out. I hope that you guys did too. If you did like the video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.